Okay, solve the simultaneous equations below using an algebraic method. Show all your working. Right, now, with this here, it's up to you how you go about it. Maybe get the y's the same, so you'd have to times the first equation by what's in front of the y here, which is 3. You'd have to times the second equation then by what's in front of the y here, which is 2. Okay, so times in that top one by 3, you get 15x. Times that by 3, you get 6y. Times that by 3, you get minus 15. Times the second equation then by 2, so you get 8x, 6y, times that by 2, you get 6. Okay, so we can label these 1 and 2 then. Alright, now in this case now I would do 1 take away 2. 15x take away 8x is 7x. 6y take away 6y is 0. And then minus 15 take away 6. Of course I'm going to just use my calculator just to double check. Okay, calculator paper, I don't want to be making silly mistakes. So minus 15 take away 6 is minus 21. And then to get x, I've just got to do minus 21 divide by 7. Okay, because you times them by 7 here, so take it over divide, and of course that comes out to be minus 3. Okay, and then all I need to do then is to sub it in one of these. It's up to you which one you put it in. Okay, you put it into number 2 if you want, or put it into one of the top ones. It doesn't really matter. Maybe you put it into the top one up here. Call that star asterisk or something. So if you say sub into that one, let's go 5, and then bracket then x is minus 3 plus 2y is minus 15. 5 times minus 3 is minus 15 plus 2y is minus 5. 2y then be minus 5. Take that minus 15 over, this becomes plus 15. So you get 2y then, that becomes minus 5 plus 15 is 10. So y is 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Job done. Okay, make sure that's clear there, and you've got your answer. Part B then, it says solve the following quadratic equation. Give your answer correct in 2 decimal places. So when you need to solve this, right, there are 2 ways that we learn to do it. You could either factorize it, put it in terms of into 2 brackets. But you know, when they say give your answer to 2 decimal places, brackets are not going to work, right? So you're going to need to use the formula method. Formula method they give you, so don't worry, the formula is on page 2. What you need to recognize, of course, is a is equal to that number there in front of the x squared. So a will equal to 5. Write this down to start with, right? A is equal to 5. B is equal to the number in front of the x, which is plus 3. And c then is equal to the constant at the end, which is minus 7. Okay, look at the sign before them. Just make sure you've got the correct signs. So there you go, there's the formula there. And then you go to page 2 and it's x equals minus b plus or minus square root. I always sort of copy it down, write it down first, okay? And then check in the values. Okay, so you've got x will equal minus b, so b is replaced with 3, plus or minus square root b squared, so that'll be b is 3, remember it's 3 squared, take away 4 times a, which is 5, times c then. Now c is minus 7, so I'll put that in a bracket, okay, just to be clear. All over then, the whole thing's got to be divided by 2a, so that'll be 2 times a, 2 times 5. So then x will equal, now take your time on this, take steps, the correct steps, keep that as minus 3 plus or minus. What I do next is I always work out what's inside that square root. And I use my calculator and I do that in one go. I do not press square root, don't do that, just work out what's inside here. So 3 squared minus 4 times 5 times then bracket minus 7, close bracket. So exactly what's underneath the square root is what I've written. So we'll work that out. That comes to 149. And then, of course, don't forget, it's all of it is divided, right? The whole thing is divided by 2 times 5, which is 10. So then I can get my 2 answers, right? So I can say, look, x is equal to minus 3 plus the square root of 149, all divided by 10, or x will equal minus 3 minus, you do the minus option, 149 divided by 10. So get a calculator, press the fraction button, minus 3 plus square root of 149 all over 10. So you get that. Now just press the SD button. So 0.92 to 2 decimal places. I'll just squeeze this in here. Okay, and then to get the other one then, I'm just going to go back and I'm going to change that to a minus. So again, press the SD, don't worry about what came up there. Minus 1.52 2 decimal places, and that's it. Job done. You've got your 2 answers, 2 decimal places.